Come along, let's do some math. Addition fun. Let's start our path. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Hooray! Let's add numbers every day. Verse 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Clap your hands. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now jump and stand. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Spin around. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Jump up and down. Chorus. Add numbers together. Learn addition. It's fun forever. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adding numbers makes us thrive. Verse 2. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Clap once more. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Let's explore. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Tap your feet. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Numbers are sweet. 9 plus 1 equals 10. We reached the top. Counting and adding never stops. Final chorus. Add numbers together. Learn addition. It's fun forever. 1 plus 1. 2 plus 2. 3 plus 3. 4 plus 4. Math is fun. Let's learn some more.